Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a sales page with Unbounce detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Unbounce website and log in to your account. If you are new to Unbounce, create a new account to get started. Once you are logged in, click on the Create a New Landing Page button. You will be presented with a selection of templates. Choose a template that best fits your sales page needs. After selecting a template, click on the Start Editing button. This action will launch the Unbounce Page Builder. On the left side, you will see a panel with various elements. Drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons onto your page. Customize your text by clicking on a text block and editing the content. Ensure your headline is engaging and clearly states the value of your offer. Add descriptive text to explain the benefits of your product or service. Incorporate eye-catching images that align with your sales message. Use buttons to create clear calls to action, prompting users to take the desired next step. Once your page layout is complete, review it for clarity and visual appeal. Next, set up any necessary forms to capture leads. Click on the form element in the left panel and drag it onto the page. Customize the form fields according to the information you want to collect. You can also integrate your chosen email marketing platform in this step. After setting up the forms, move on to the SEO settings. In the page settings, input relevant keywords, a title, and a meta description. This will help improve your page's visibility in search engines. Preview your sales page by clicking on the Preview button. Check for responsiveness on both desktop and mobile views. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure it looks great on all devices. Once you are satisfied with the design and content, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button at the top right corner of the screen. You will be given a URL for your new sales page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.